Welcome food lovers to your very own Sohinis kitchen. Today I am here with a very tasty recipe, the cheesy veg zingy parcels. So let's take a look at the recipe. Dissolve the yeast in warm water so that it gets activated. This step is also called the blooming of the yeast. Add the all-purpose flour only when the yeast has bloomed like this. The dough is now ready. Cover it and let it rest in a warm place for at least 1 to 2 hours. Now clearly it can be seen that the dough has doubled in size after 2 hours of resting in the oven. Beat the air out of it and then cover and set it aside until it is ready to be used. Now we will make the veg filling. The vegetable filling is now ready. Now let's make the zingy parcels. The veg zingy parcels are ready to be baked. Now apply some milk with some sugar dissolved in it on top of the zingy parcels so that it gets a beautiful brown color once it is baked. Now cover and set it aside for 30 to 40 minutes, and after 40 minutes apply some more milk, sprinkle some oregano on top and then bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. Now apply some butter on top to give it a beautiful shine, and the veg zingy parcels are ready to be served. Now, if you try making this recipe at home, do let me know how it turns out. Please use the comment section if you have any suggestion for any future recipe, or if you have any question regarding this recipe, or any feedback. Thanks for watching. See you next week then with another exciting recipe. Till then, enjoy the veg zingy parcels with your family and friends.